What's that?
We've been given a parachute.
A what?
A parachute.
Okay.
For John and me, this is the first time we had ever flown in a helicopter. And as you would expect, the views were just stunning. We also flew over the Hoover Dam, and to see the water levels, how much they'd dropped over the last 20 years, really was quite scary. Views flying into the canyon were just amazing. For this to be our first helicopter flight, it really doesn't get much better than this, does it? So I'm sure you've seen the Grand Canyon on TV, and obviously you're watching it on this video here. However, you just need to experience it yourself. This is absolutely beyond amazing. We spent something like 30 minutes or so on the actual floor of the Grand Canyon before the helicopter whisked us back to Las Vegas. And after flying over Lake Mead on the way back, the sprawling desert city of Las Vegas appeared over the mountains. And then one last treat as we flew down the strip.
Okay, so I'm an emotional person anyway, but I can honestly say I have never ever seen anything so awe-inspiring as what we've just seen then.